Let me show you how to do a half twisted rib. We've got 1 by 1 ribbing here, and this column of knit stitches is twisted. And that gives you kind of a sharper line. I really like the look of it. So the column of purl stitches are worked like normal. So we'll do this in continental first. We'll purl. And then when we knit, rather than going into the front of the stitch, we go into the back of the stitch. And that twists the yarn down here at the bottom of the V. So the yarn on the left is over the yarn on the right. Let me show you that again. We'll just purl the purl stitch as normal, and then we'll knit into the back of the stitch. Twist that stitch. Now doing it English style, really the same thing. Purl the purl column as normal, knit into the back loop, not the front of the loop, but the back of the loop on the knit column. And that is how you do a half twisted rib. Gives you just a really defined line for the knit stitches. Thanks for watching.